welcome back to your math class. So kids, today we are going to, yesterday we were doing exercise 8.5 and today we have to continue with that only. Yesterday we have done up to question number 5, so today we will start from the rest of the chapter that we have left there. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so in our last class we were doing exercise 8.5 question number, we were doing question number 5. Now today I am going to start from question number 7, 8, 9 and then we will move toward the 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let us start. So our exercise is exercise 8.5. Exercise 8.5 and I am going to explain you question number 7. Okay, so question number 7 I am going to explain you, and in this particular question what we have to do? Okay, length is given in kilometer and meter. We have to arrange them and then we have to subtract. Okay, let us do. So first kilometer, and at a distance we will write meter, and now 9 kilometer, 485 meter, 485 meter. From this number we have to subtract 3 kilometer, 392 meter. Okay, let us do the subtraction here. Chalo, let us do the subtraction. Come on, do the subtraction and tell me the answer. Come on, do the subtraction and tell me the answer. Okay, subtract it. Start from the rightmost place. Completed? Okay, let us do. Okay, let us start. चलो भाई, आप लोगों ने कर लिया. Let me explain this to you. So the question is, we'll start from this place, right place. So at the rightmost place we are having here, what we are having here? 5 minus 2. Here I am having 5 and from this I have to subtract 2. How much is left? 3. Okay. So we'll start from here. 5 minus 2. We will get 3. So 5 minus 2 we will get 3. At next place we are having 8 minus 9. Next place we are having 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 8. So what we will do here? If we can't subtract the 8 minus 9, what we will do? Now this 8 will take carry and this will become 18. And this 4 will become 3. Now we are having 18 minus 9. So how much you will get if you subtract 9 from 18? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. How much? 9. Now at this place we are having 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3, how much is left? 0. 3 minus 3 we are left with 0. Okay. So here we will write 0. Now this place we are having 9 minus 3. Okay. So 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 will give me 9 minus 3 will give me 9 minus 3 will give me 6. Okay, so my answer for this question will be 6. So my answer for this question number 7 is 6 kilometer 93 meter. 6 kilometer 93 meter. Mind it, 93 meter, not 930. Okay, 93 meter, not 930. 6 kilometer and 93 meter. Okay. Now moving toward the next question. Let us move toward the next question. So the next question I am going to take is question number 8. Okay. Let us do question number 8 now. Question number 8. Kilometer 320 meter 4 kilometer 849 meter. Kilometer 320 meter, subtract 4 kilometer 849 meter. Okay, so how we are going to do it? Tell me how we are going to do this question. I have arranged it. Now subtract this question, subtract the numbers, and then tell me the answer. Come on, do it. Completed? Okay. Let us do. So here we have to subtract 4 kilometer 849 meter from 8 kilometer and 320 meter. Okay, let us do the subtraction now. Now at the first place, very first place, here we are having 0. But we cannot subtract 9 from 0. So what we will do? This number will take a borrow and it will become 10 and this will become 1. So now 10 minus 9 we will get 10. 10 minus 9 we will get 6. 10 minus 9 we will 10 minus 9 we will get just 1. Yeah. Okay, now at next place we are having 1 minus 4. We cannot subtract 4 from 1. Now this 1 will take a borrow from the next place. It will become 11 and the number that is giving borrow, it will become 2. Now next is 11 minus 4. So 11 minus 4 will give us 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much? 7. So we'll write 7 here. At next place, here we are having 2 minus 8. Again this 2 cannot be, this 8 cannot be subtracted from 2. So it will become 12. 12 minus 8. How much we will get if we subtract 8 from 12? How much we will get? Tell me. We will get 4. Now 7 minus 4, here we will get 3. So our answer for this question is 3 kilometer 471 meter. 3 kilometer and 471 meter is our answer for this particular question. Come on, note it down and then we will move ahead. Okay, come on. Our answer is 3 kilometer 471 meter. Okay. Moving ahead. Moving toward the next question. Now, the next question is 7 kilometer 5 meter. Question is 7 kilometer 5 meter 2 kilometer 631 meter. Come on, do the subtraction. Do the subtraction here also and tell me the answer. Okay, now. So we'll start from here. First number is 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 we will get? We'll get 4. We'll write 4 here. Now at this place we are having 0. We cannot subtract 3 from 0. So this will take a borrow. This will become 10. Okay. Now 10 minus 3 will give us 7. So we'll write 7 here. Now at next place we are having 9 minus 6. So 9 minus 6 will give us 3. And here 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 we will get 4. So our answer is 4 kilometer 374 meter. 4 kilometer and 374 meter. Okay, this is our answer for this question. Okay, come on. Note it down. Now, do it. Completed? Okay, so as you can see, answer that we have got here is in kilometer and meter. Okay, so if someone asks us to convert this into meter, then how we will do that? Okay, so देखो आंसर क्या आया हमारा 3 किलोमीटर 374 मीटर है ना. Our answer is 3 kilometer and 374 4 kilometer 374 meter. So let us convert this into meter. This will also help us in revising the concept of conversion. Okay. So our answer is 4 kilometer 374 meter. Answer is 4 kilometer 374 meter. We have to convert it into meter. Now, first line we will write is 1 kilometer equals to. So, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Okay. So, 4 kilometer and 374 meter equals to 4 kilometer plus 374 meter. Now, अब भाई 374 is already in meter. 374 is already in meter. So what we will do? We will just convert the 4 kilometer here. What we will do? We will just convert the 4 kilometer. So converting 4 kilometer will get 4 into 1000 meter plus 374 meter. So together they will form 4000 meter plus 374 meter, and it will give us answer C. 4000 plus 374 meter, it will give us answer as 4374 meter. This will be our answer for this question. 4374 meter. This is our answer for this question. है ना? Come on, note it down. Come on, note it down. Okay, let us move toward the next question. Let us do the next question. Our question number 10 is write in column and subtract. Question number 10 is what? Write in column and subtract. So what we have to do? Here we have to write the numbers in column and then we have to subtract it. Okay. Question number 10. Question is subtract 15 meter 78 centimeter, 15 meter 78 centimeter from 20 meter 12 centimeter, 20 meter 12 centimeter. Okay. So the first step in this question is that we have to arrange this number in meter and centimeter form. That means we have to first arrange this in column. Okay. So meter and centimeter. 20 meter 12 centimeter, and from this we have to subtract 15 meter 78 centimeter. Okay. 20 meter 12 centimeter, and from this we have to subtract 15 meter and 78 centimeter. Come on, do it. Come on, you know how to subtract it. Come on, do the subtraction. Okay, let us do. So first we are having here 12 and this will become 10. Yeah. Now 12 minus 8 we will get, when we will subtract 8 from 12, how much we will get? We will get 4. Now next we are having 10 minus 7. We will get 3. Here this number will become 9 and this will become 1. Okay. So 9 minus 5, we will get 4 and 1 minus 1 will get nothing. So our answer for this question is 4 meter 34 centimeter. Okay, our answer for this question is 4 meter and 34 centimeter. Now again, if I am asked to convert this into centimeter, so my answer was 4 meter and 34 centimeter. Okay. Now 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So that we will write 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Next we are having 4 meter 34 centimeter equals to 4 meter plus 34 centimeter equals to 4 into 100 centimeter. Why 4 into 100? Because see, 34 to already is given in centimeter, so we will convert only this part. Okay, and plus 34 centimeter. 4 into 100 is equals to 400 centimeter plus 34 centimeter. Now 400 centimeter plus 34 centimeter will give us it will give us 434 centimeter. Okay, this is our answer for this question. Come on, note it down. Then we will move toward question number 11. Okay. Moving toward question number 11. Now question number 11 is 4 kilometer 515 meter. Good question. See. 4 kilometer 515 meter from 8 kilometer. Come on, solve this question yourself. Come on, solve this question. Okay, let us do. See, here we are having only 8 kilometer. So what we will do, we'll write 8 kilometer. Now 8 kilometer means 8 kilometer and 000 meter. Because 0 place is vacant, so we can write 000. From this we have to subtract 4 kilometer and 515 meter. Come on, do the subtraction now. Do the subtraction. Okay, so we will start from this place. Now, here we are having 0. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. So what we will do, this 0 will take a borrow from this from this, and this from finally from 8. Okay, so this 8 will become 7, this will become 10, and these two will become 9. Now our first place we are having 10 minus 5. So 10 minus 5 we will get 5 will get 5. Now 9 minus 1, here we are having 9 minus 1, so we will get 8. 9 minus 1 we will get 8. Now here we are having 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 we will get 4. 9 minus 5 we will get 4. And here we are having 7 minus 4. This will give us 3. So our answer will be 3 kilometer 485 meter. 3 kilometer and 485 meter. Come on, note this down. Okay, come on, do it. So here we are having 3 kilometer 485 meter. So what else we can write for 3 kilometer 485 meter? We can write now 3485 meter also. What I have just done here, I have just converted this number. है ना? What I have done? Just I have converted the number. So kids, see here we have completed up to question number 11. We have completed up to question number 11. Now before moving to question number 12, I would like to explain you example number 5 that is given on page number 136. Now that example says, Abhishek bought 89 meter and 39 centimeter thread, that is manja, for flying kites. Once his kite was cut, 37 meter 48 centimeter thread went with it. आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता होगा, जब भी आप पतंग उड़ाते होगे तो क्या मांझे से पतंग उड़ाते होगे तो क्या होता होगा, कभी कभी पतंग कट जाती है. तो जब पतंग कट जाती है तो फॉर व्हाट हैपन, अपने साथ उतना मांझा वो लेके चली जाती है. तो सेम थिंग हैपन विद Abhishek also. So Abhishek bought 89 meter and 39 centimeter. Abhishek bought this much of manja. Okay. Now Abhishek bought this much of manja for flying kite. So once it was cut, अब क्या हुआ, पतंग कट गई. पतंग कट गई तो पतंग के साथ 37 मीटर एंड 48 सेंटीमीटर का थ्रेड, दैट मीन्स मांझा क्या हुआ, चला गया. हाउ मच थ्रेड इज लेफ्ट विथ him now? अब उसके पास कितना थ्रेड बचा है. So what we will do, this is a straight question of subtraction. Why? Because यहाँ पे क्या आया है, left. I have told you this several times कि जब भी आपके क्वेश्चन में left word will come, whenever left word will come, what you have to do, there you have to subtract. आपने क्या करना है, वहाँ आपने बस वहाँ पे subtract कर देना है. Got it? Okay. So from tomorrow we will start the word problem based on subtraction. Okay.